put your hands up. So come join the movement. Friends don't ever chase till we lose them. Put your bloody hands up for Marrero. It's Marrero, come put your hands up.
I stab a man and then I leave him squirming, cause my heart's callous like the hands of a German. And I got kicked out of college, I'm still learning Marrero gang shit, now we coming for your earnings. Yearning for the truth we never told. I'm finding it's getting cold, holding on to separate souls. So we breaking down the walls and make them crumble, like they did to Vauxhall 1 and Junkies Jungle. Try to make us fool, while we land and never stumble. Pop a double back, straight out, I bloody tumble. Yeah, we coming back with the gloom back, spitting them true raps. You can see us flipping roof caps, you know that we do that. Shit, how you never thought possible. You got off full a couple times and think that you lost it all. Yeah, shoulda, woulda, and I coulda. I took a bit of acid, now I'm thinking like I'm better, oh God.
So come join the movement. Friends don't ever chase till we lose them. Put your bloody hands up for Marrero. It's Marrero, come put your hands up. So come join the movement. Friends don't ever chase till we lose them. Put your bloody hands up for Marrero. It's Marrero, come put your hands up.
A high drop a day will keep the doctors away. It's the little passion prince, aka Padgy K. I'm here to stay for another day. Feds chase but I run away. This SD card that I tuck away, I keep it in my pants so they can't find it. Looking for another roof gap, just decided. I just decided that I need to climb shit. I fell off of a roof and my boy gave me the Heimlich. And then our eyes met, what? It got me feeling weird. Is that an angel? Nah, it's just my boy's hairy beard. But I'm trying to change the game, I got clean feels like pasture. I may not sound the same, but I'm the same old sapper. Cause I'm still spitting in front, flipping my feet, dripping in that tech wash. I get lost watching Jump Britain. Yeah. You check that bar work, lash it double back, landed wrong, but I still spit out a hard verse. Yeah.
An alle